guys. I'm kind of tired because I just got off work. But you guys know I work third shift. Not all week. A couple of days I work third shift. Then I work 3 11s. Anyway, I am about to attempt to make egg fouillon, shrimp egg fouillon with fried rice or rice on the side. That's what I'm craving, so you guys gonna cook with me. I made my coffee. I'm about to sit and drink my coffee first so I can wake up. Yeah, let's get to it. And my shrimp right here is in ice water. I mean, it was frozen, so I had to put it in water to, you know, thaw it out a little bit. This is what you need for the egg fouillon. You need soy sauce. I don't know why, but you need cornstarch. And you need oyster flavored sauce. And then I have my rice, jasmine rice. And I got some of this just in case somebody want to use that. And what else do I got? I'm about to set my camera up so you guys can watch me cook. Oh, and you need eggs, but I'll show you guys. All right. I'm just running cold water so I can get the ice out because they kind of frozen. Now you want to make sure your grease is piping hot, so when you drop this egg foo young, it forms right away because it's eggs. But you want to make sure your grease is hot but not burnt. These came out so good, y'all. They was delicious. I already cooked the egg foo young, and here's my rice. And I'm cooking the rest of the egg foo young up, and see how it came out so nice. It tastes just like the restaurant, guys. And I also have my gravy, but I have more left here to finish. Okay guys, I just got done working out. I did walk with Leslie. Today is day 36 for me that I've been doing the OMAD, and I see difference. I take pictures, and I'm gonna compare my pictures and post them here so you guys can see. This is so good, y'all. It's perfect, y'all.